Hi friends, I'm Tilak. You're watching Tech Made Me Unique, and today we're going to see how to change the line spacing on your Google Docs mobile application. And if you are new to this channel, make sure to click on subscribe button below. We just quickly move on to the video.
So how to double line spacing, or how to make a line spacing, or how to change the line spacing. So I just going to show you now. So click on this plus symbol. I just going to choose the template here, so I can easily show how the line spacing work. So I just choose some letter template. So now I just going to change the line spacing of this. So first of all, I just select the paragraph that you want to change the line spacing. So I select this paragraph. Now click on the A symbol on the top, which actually opens the text and paragraph toolbar. So here you just want to switch to the paragraph toolbar. Here scroll down, you will see an option called line spacing. So now you can just adjust it. This is a double line spacing, which is a double line spacing, and you can adjust to 1.5, 1, like that. You can see the option is changing. So there is no custom option here. They haven't given only 4 different type of line spacing on the mobile application. So you can use this and you can just change the line spacing on your document. So I think this video helped you a lot. Like this video, share this video, subscribe this channel. We will meet our next video with a super valuable content. This is Tilak signing off from Tech Made Me Unique. Have a wonderful day.